Nifty opened with a gap up today. However, in the first half of the trading session, it gave up almost all its gains and was trading in the negative mildly. However, in the last couple of hours of the trading session, the Nifty really gave a sharp pullback and ended the day on a positive note, up 74 points for the day. The market bet for the fourth running day was negative, with 707 advances to 819 declines, indicating that only a handful number of stocks are participating in the rally from the Nifty 50 pack, which is driving the Nifty higher and higher each and every day. Today was the 8th trading session on the trot, where the Nifty closed with gains. From the Nifty 50 pack, ITC, HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited, Tata Motors, L&T, Cipla, Maruti closed on a positive note, while Infosys, HUL, Dr. Reddy, M&M, HCL Tech and Kane India were the losers for the day. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive for the 8th consecutive day. However, it is very close to this upper end of this upward sloping channel. Now, in case we don't see any reaction or resistance around this area, this rally can continue in the coming trading sessions. Yes, there are no signs of trend reversal. However, keeping in mind that only a few stocks are participating in the rally, and only the Nifty 50 stocks in fact are participating in the rally, and the broader market is not showing that amount of strength and participation, creates some kind of bias that the rally might be nearing the end. However, until we get price confirmation on the Nifty itself, we should not expect a major correction in the index. So we continue to be positive on the index. On the upside, 8961, which is the upper end of this range, is a crucial resistance to watch out for and a short-term target. Now moving on to the hourly charts, you can observe that after opening gap up, it gave up all its gains. However, in the last last hours of trading session, it gave a sharp pullback. Again, the point of concern here is that the hourly momentum indicator is having a negative crossover along with a negative divergence. Now this needs to be confirmed with the daily negative close, which is just not really happening. So we don't give that much amount of weightage to the negative divergence, and we continue to trail our stop losses until this ride continues. We just trail our stop losses. So we continue to be positive on Nifty. For the Nifty, crucial supports are placed at 8815, which is the 20-day simple moving average, and below that 8776, which is the gap area. So that should act as a crucial support. So these two levels are the immediate stop losses, or which can be kept in the very short term. On the upside, 8961, as I pointed out earlier, which is the upper end of the upward sloping channel, is a crucial resistance, and above that 9000, which is the psychological mark, is a crucial resistance. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was clearly the outperformer for today's trading session. It closed with gains of more than 2% for the day. Bank Nifty heavyweights like Axis Bank closed with gains of 4%, ICICI Bank 3%, HDFC Bank was up by 2.4% for the trading session. No real signs of trend reversal in Bank Nifty. Similarly, traders should continue to hold on to their long positions and trail their stop losses to protect the profits. On the downside, crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 20,260 and 20,170. On the upside, 20,755 and 21,000, which is the psychological mark, shall act as crucial resistances. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. We have seen an 8 consecutive day rally on the Nifty, which is above average. Now the broad market is not really participating, which is a point of concern. However, till we get signs of trend reversal or the signs of that the Nifty shall enter a period of sideways consolidation for a couple of days, we continue to hold our positive bias on Nifty for a target of 89.61 and higher in the coming trading sessions. So that's all for the day. Thank you.